friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel.
In this video, you will learn top 5 electronics project. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. 1-dot music reactive light circuit. This circuit uses a 2N42 transistor and an electric microphone to activate LEDs in sync with music. The microphone picks up sound signals, which are then amplified by the transistor, lighting up the LEDs in response to audio peaks. 2. Dark sensor circuit, night sensor. Using a BC547 transistor and an LDR, light-dependent resistor, this circuit lights up an LED when the environment becomes dark. As light decreases, the LDR resistance increases, triggering the transistor and illuminating the LED. 3. Continuity tester circuit. This simple circuit tests the continuity of a connection. When probes detect continuity, the BC547 transistor activates a buzzer and an LED, providing audio-visual feedback. 4. Fire detection alarm circuit. Using a BC547 transistor and a photodiode, this circuit triggers an alarm if it detects a flame. The photodiode responds to infrared light from fire, activating a buzzer and LED as an alert. This circuit is an IR infrared remote-controlled switch that uses a BC547 transistor to control a 220-volt AC bulb. The circuit consists of an IR sensor, a BC547 NPN transistor, a 220-ohm resistor, and a light bulb. This circuit allows the user to control the AC bulb remotely by turning it on or off using an IR remote. The BC547 transistor acts as a bridge between the low-power IR sensor and the high-power AC bulb, making this circuit effective for remote-controlled light switching applications.